So this is our IIM Rohtak campus, and if you shift to the right, then you will see our IIM Rohtak boys hostel. So let's explore. So right now I'm standing in front of our boys hostel. As of now I cannot show you the entire campus tour since we are in quarantine. We are not allowed to roam the campus and explore the campus, but what I can show you is our hostel room and whatever is inside it. So starting from here, we have our IPM and IPL hostels. It's simple boys hostel. Both IPM and IPL batch stays in one building, and this is our entrance. This side, this is our ground floor. This is where IPL batch stays. Both sides they are all rooms, and at there it's the bathroom. We have another bathroom this side. So if you go upstairs now, since there are more IPL batch in our campus, so they have been allotted 2 floors. One's the ground floor and the first floor. We live in the second floor. So from here I will show you the entire inside of our rooms. So starting from here, we get a good nice view of our campus. We can call it as a balcony because we get a nice view of our campus from here. This is the last room, 207. From 207 to 201 we have all the rooms. So this is 201. So we were allotted 7 rooms, 4 in each room. So total there were 28 boys IPM from IPM batch. So we dry our clothes off here. Now moving on to my room. So we keep our sandals and shoes right outside our room. So starting from here, we have our room. This is 204. This is my room and I share with 3 others. When we enter inside, we can see that it's a double-decker bed. One person can sleep above, another person can sleep below. So we also have another double-decker bed here. One below, another up. So this was our bedrooms. So the room is a little congested, but we manage. So this was our bed, one this side, another this side, and behind we hang our clothes. We have a hanger there. So now let's get a look of our study table. So starting from here, this is my study table. I have kept all my essentials here: my notebooks, my phone, my spectacles, my laptop, and my earphones, speaker, water bottle. Moving on to my friend's desk, he has also kept all his essentials here: all his laptop, tab, and earphones, water bottle, his bag, his notebooks. And then moving on to another table, this is one of my roommates. He has also kept all his essentials here. Whenever he feels bored, he just reads The Art of War. And then we have our another roommate's table. His one is a very minimalistic, only notebooks and tablets. So he likes to keep it a little minimalistic, everything. So on both the table we have our extension plugs. One table right here, another we have right here. So that was it. I also like to keep something to eat around my table so that in case I'm hungry I just grab it from right there. So that was a small tour for our study tables. Now let's explore a little more our rooms. So this is our cupboard. We have 4 small cupboards, 2 here, 2 right here. We keep our buckets right above the cupboard, and 1 here. So that was it. And then that's our clothes hanger. So if we move outside from our room, so that this was our 204. Just right beside here we have our washroom. This is our basin. So we have 4 basins total. This is the mirror, and in total we have total 8 bathrooms. So this was it. Inside the bathroom we have shower, we have warm water and cold water both. So if you need warm water or cold water, we have 24/7 present to us. So it's really comfortable here. So this was our bathroom, but our one small issue is there, that our toilet is not attached to it. So we need to walk a little bit for the toilet. We need to go across the corridor to reach the toilet. If we reach here, So it was same as usual. We have our 8 toilet rooms right here. So this is our ground floor, first floor and second floor. The ground floor and the first floor are for IPL batch. The second floor is for IPM batch. The third floor is empty. Just right here we have our volleyball court and the badminton court. It's right now on construction, but after that, once the construction is over, we can just play right here. So that was it, guys, a full tour of our IPM and IPL boys hostel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this video motivated you to appear for IPMAT exams and join this beautiful campus. And if you have liked this video, then make sure you press the like button, comment down below what was your favorite part, and share with your friends who you want to join the IIM Rohtak with, and make sure you subscribe to UniVoyage. So till then, bye.